Hello, I'm Sri from CBTU. CBTU presents a course on Amazon Web Services, AWS, section Amazon EC2 Management Console Dashboard. Access and manage Amazon Web Services through a simple web-based user interface. You can access AWS Management Console through mobile app as well to quickly view the resources on the go. These are the features of AWS Management Console. You can administer your AWS account. You can find the services in the AWS console. You can personalize your AWS console experience by pinning the service shortcuts. You can view the collection of resources that share common tags under resource groups. You have tag editor to easily manage tags for all resource types that support tags in any region. You can manage your AWS resources from your mobile device through AWS Console mobile app. The requirements are you need to have an AWS account and sign in with AWS account. Access the management console with that. This is the web page of AWS. Under my account, click on AWS Management Console or sign into the console. This is the dashboard of AWS and you can quickly find the services in AWS console. You can click on services to view the same dashboard and the recently visited services are pinned here as shortcuts. Let us go to the Amazon EC2 dashboard. This is Amazon EC2 dashboard. You can view all the resources at glance. You can launch new instances. You can launch new instances and manage new instances that are created. Create instance templates and create instances from templates. Check service health and all the EC2 features here. All the services are showing a green, which indicates the health is fine. Let us go to the service health dashboard. This is AWS Service Health Dashboard. You can have your own personalized health dashboard as well. It shows the current health status. AWS publishes the most up-to-the-minute information on service availability. You can subscribe to RSS feeds and by region you can view the health status. This is service status history for the last 1 week that is displayed here and you can get more information as you need. And all the services are showing green. This is personalized health dashboard. It doesn't show any open issues or schedule changes in our region which may impact our services. You can manage your account by this pop-down menu. Click on My Account. You can view the account settings, contact information, alternate contacts, and other information. There's a red button you see here. If you no longer need AWS services, you can close your account. You can view My Organization information. In an organization, there may be multiple AWS accounts created and managed by different people, different teams. You can consolidate all your AWS accounts into an organization and manage them. Click here to view the billing dashboard. This is billing and cost management console. It will show you the last month's incurred expenditure, month to date expenditure, and the forecast. Keep checking this page when you are using AWS services actively to monitor and manage the costs. If you have any bills, the information will be displayed here. You can download the bill in CSV format or print it. This is Cost Explorer and you can analyze your spends. You can set the AWS budget to alert you whenever AWS costs or usage exceeds or forecasted to exceed. AWS budgets automatically alert you when your AWS costs or usage exceed. based on the thresholds that you set. Cost and usage report is extensive and helps you to control and manage the costs. AWS services can be so customized that help benefit, manage the resources, and control the budget. You can set the payment methods here, and your account will be charged only when you cross the limits or free trial term of 12 months expires. This is about the payment history that will display all the transactions. You can have consolidated billing. You can set your preferences on billing, cost management, and other alerts. You can redeem the promo codes or the AWS credits here. You can manage tax settings here. Let us click on My Security Credentials. Avoid root account for day-to-day AWS operations and create AWS IAM users with limited permissions to meet the required purpose. We'll get onto this in another session. Let us go back to Management Console, EC2. This is snapshot of Amazon EC2 Dashboard. This is snapshot of AWS Service Health in US East North Virginia region. You manage your account by clicking on pop-down menu. The My Account, My Organization, My Billing Dashboard, and Security Credentials can be managed from here. This is overall Service Health Dashboard, which you have seen. These are different regions and the availability zones. Right now, US West Oregon is selected. You can create your instance in any region and availability zone. You can see all the EC2 resources here. Any running instances, dedicated hosts, volumes, key pairs, elastic IPs, security groups, and others. You can create an Amazon EC2 instance from here. You can create from template as well. Right now we don't have any templates and we are going to create one using this launch templates. EC2 dashboard itself, it will show the service health and scheduled events for our region, that is US West region. Here it's all green and service health status is good. And you can see the complete service health dashboard for all the regions and the zones here, which you have seen already. Events may include operational activities planned by AWS, such as instance reboots or retirements. This will give a snapshot of all status. You can create the tags while creating an instance and manage tags here. Tags are basically key value pairs. EC2 reports provides detailed usage or billing data for all EC2 instances. Amazon EC2 provides different resources that you can use, such as instances and volumes. When you create your AWS account, AWS sets these limits for these resources on per region basis. These are all AWS EC2 service limits. This is the current limit and you can request for the limit increase. This is about the host limits, EBS limits, networking limits. Current limit is 200 for auto-scaling groups, load balancing limits, and you can request for the limit increase as per your need. You can use AWS Trusted Advisor for more service limits and usage. Based on the support plan, you can unlock all the Trusted Advisor recommendations. The current plan is basic. These service limits are different for different regions. If the default limit is not enough for your requirements, you can request for the limit increase and upgrade your support plan. You can launch an instance from here or from the EC2 dashboard. Once you have the instances up and running, you can perform these actions on the instances. You can launch a template. You can use templates to automate instance launches. It can include permission policies, enforce best practices across your organizations. Using a template to launch instances across the organization have these benefits. Streamlining uniform provisioning, simplify permissions, and ensure best practices and governance across your organization. The next one is spot requests. You can request for spot instances from here. You have the spot advisor and the actions to be taken on the instances you may have. And the pricing history it will display here. This will save the money for the varying dynamic business needs. You can click here to request for a spot instance. The request can be one-time spot instance request or request for a fleet of spot instances to maintain your target capacity or reserve a spot instance for some duration. You can purchase reserved instances to save money. We're going to see this demo in the coming sessions. When shared pool of resources do not meet our requirements, then we can have Amazon EC2 dedicated host. An Amazon EC2 dedicated host is a physical server with EC2 instance capacity dedicated for your use. With Amazon EC2 dedicated host, you can minimize software licensing costs with bring your own license by all scenario. Scheduled instances. Scheduled instances allow you to reserve Amazon EC2 instances on a recurring schedule. Amazon Machine Images (AMIs). You can use the default offerings or purchase customized commercial software from AWS Marketplace. We're going to see this EBS, network and security, load balancing, auto scaling, systems manager services, systems manager resources in the demos. This is support center. If you have any issue, you can use this support center to create a case and get it resolved. The current support plan is basic for me and it can be changed. We can change this to any other support plan to meet our needs. AWS support provides access to billing, account assistance, technical support, and guidance. You have basic plan, developer, business, and enterprise. These are the various features of each plan. This is the support pricing. Basic is free. The business support is $100 per month, and for the enterprise, it's around 15K per month. You can change the plan anytime. You can create a case. You can create a case regarding billing or service limit increase or technical support. Technical support is not available under basic support plan. You can select the service, let us say billing, and you can select the category, these many options, let us say charge inquiry. For the service and the category selected, some standard FAQs are available. In most of the cases, they will resolve your issues. Check all the FAQs. If they do not resolve your issue, then you create a case. Let us say high charges. You may provide the description and you can add attachments, screenshots, or documents. You have two contact methods, web that is by the email and the team will respond in standard time frame, and the phone. And you can specify the region, phone number, and you can submit the query. And the AWS will call back and will resolve the issue. You can view all the case histories here. These are some of the snapshots, events, tags, reports, limits, creating a case, launching an instance, creating launch templates, spot instances, requesting various types of spot instances, purchasing reserved instances, dedicated hosts, scheduled instances, Amazon machine images, AMIs. This is AWS Marketplace. Let us see Marketplace. You have these many categories, thousands of software listings from independent software vendors. The popular categories are operating system, security, networking. Explore this page for more information. View all the categories. Thanks for watching.